Hi viewers, in this video we will discuss about chart of accounts, account groups and general ledger accounts. We will also discuss about how these three FI objects are interconnected.
First, we'll start with chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is like a bag which contains all general ledger accounts. Chart of accounts will be at the highest level among all three FI objects, and most importantly, it is linked with the company code. Here I would like to give you a simple example to remember things in a best way. The highest peak of the mountain would be chart of accounts where it is linked to company code. And the second concept is account groups. Account groups are the categories to accumulate similar kind of general ledger accounts under one heading in financial statements. We need to assign account groups with chart of accounts in order to create general ledger accounts for company code. And general ledger accounts are grouped using numbers in creation of account groups. Now we will get into the configurations. First is chart of accounts. First we need to create chart of accounts and then account groups and then general ledger accounts. So from SAP Easy Access, we need to go into display IMG screen by using SIMG. From display IMG screen, go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations. Here we have edit chart of accounts list. So the T code is OB13. Click on this execute symbol, IMG activity of edit chart of accounts list, and click on new entries. So once we click on new entries, here we can see the first field is to give the ID for chart of accounts. For example, we'll give today's date 27 AP. Description, here we can give chart of accounts for company code. And the next thing is maintenance language. Here we need to select the language as English. The length of general ledger account number means how many digits should be there in the general ledger account number. For example, we have mobile number. How many digits are there in mobile number? 10. In the same way, how many digits should be there in the general GL account numbers? In the GL account number can be modified here. It can be maximum of 10. You can see if I click on this input references search binocular symbol, I can see how many numbers can be selected. 0 to 10. That means maximum of 10 digits can be selected. Now I'm going to select 5. That means whenever I create the general ledger accounts, only 5 digits can be used. And that 5 digits, what should be the serial numbers, can be configured in account groups. Now click on save and click on continue. Save the transport request. And next is assigning company code to chart of accounts. We need to assign company code to this chart of accounts. Click on this execute symbol. Now search for company code in order to assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on position and search the company code. In my case, I have created ES77 as my company code. And then in this same row where the company code ES77 is there, in this row, we have a chart of accounts column. Select the chart of accounts, whatever we have created just now. 27 AP, that is what we have created now. So select that chart of accounts, remove the check symbol and click on save and continue. The assigning company code to chart of accounts is also done. And the next concept is account group. Under the same menu bar, just below the display IMG screen, we have assign company code to chart of accounts, define account group. Click on this execute symbol, IMG activity of define account group, and we need to create new account groups. So click on new entries. Now we will understand what is this account group. We have two important financial statements. One is balance sheet and another one is profit and loss account. Balance sheet is divided into two parts where left side would be assets and right side would be liabilities. And in the same way, profit and loss accounts also of profit and loss account also have two sides. Left side would be expenses and right side would be incomes. So these four categories will be created as account groups. We can also create more than four as per the company requirements, but these are four things which we need to create as a standard. So now we will create these account groups. So first select the chart of accounts. We have created the chart of accounts, that is 27 AP, and account group. We can give the account group as we have said assets, name we need to give assets, and from account. This is the serial number. What should be the numbers? What should be the serial for assets general ledger accounts? So whenever we create general ledger accounts under this account group, we are going to assign only the numbers which have been given from account and to account in account group interval. I'm going to give 1000000 because while creation of chart of accounts, we have given the length of general ledger account number should be only 5 digits. So that is the reason I am selecting only 5 digits. So 10,000 should be the first number for assets account group, and the last number I will select as 19,999. And the next account group for the chart of accounts 27 AP is liabilities. Select liabilities. This is the short form, and the full form of liabilities should be entered here in the second column. From account, I'll select 20,000 to 29,999. This will be the series whenever I create a general ledger account under liabilities. And the next thing is 27 AP, the same chart of accounts. Under profit and loss account also we have two sides, expenses and incomes. So select expenses account group now. Full form also should be expenses and the short form should be only 4 characters. I'll give the serial number for in expenses as 30,000 till 39,999. So this is what I have given, 30,000 to 39,999. This would be the general ledger account numbers whenever I create under account group expenses. And the last account group is incomes. Select incomes account group, select the full description. And here I would like to give 40,000 to 49,999. And now click on save. So this is how we create account groups. And now we are going to create general ledger accounts. To create general ledger accounts, go to SAP Easy Access. From SAP Easy Access, go into accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records. Here we have GL accounts. Under GL accounts, we have individual processing. Under individual processing, we have FS00 centrally. Double click on this FS00 centrally and now click on create. Here we have create option, a blank page symbol. Click on this blank page, that is create option, and here we need to give the general ledger account number. The first account group whatever we have created is assets, and the number range we have given is 10,000 to 19,999. So I'll give 10,000. And now we need to select the general ledger account type because this is coming under assets. It will be coming under balance sheet account. The GL account type would be balance sheet. And account group will be assets because this is the number which we are going to use for assets account type. In account group, we have given only the number 10,000 to 19,999 would be used only for assets. So if you see, if I select the different account group apart from assets, system will show me that this is an error. The account group, whatever we have created, whatever we have selected, have the number range between 30,000 to 39,999. But we have selected 10,000. So that is the reason system will not accept. So select assets account group and the short text. I'm going to give like furniture. Give the short text and long text as same furniture, and in control data, select the short key as 001, and in create or bank or interest tab, select the field status group like G we have 001, select G001 and save it. So this is how we create a general ledger accounts as per account groups, whatever the number range interval we have given, the interval in the account group, whatever we have given, we need to select the account group in the same way.
Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. And if you have any doubts or clarifications, need any support, you can contact me. Everything is there in the website as well as in the YouTube channel. My contact number, email ID, and my website also. Happy learning.